Here's another one. Clean it up. Here, here. Clean it up. Good girl. Clean it up, right here. Clean it up. Clean it up. Good girl.
You, I got you. Hello.
Okay, this is the X-Pen we're taking. Oh, don't take it down yet. Don't climb up the... Hi, Poppy. You sat on him?
Hi.
Ellie. Ellie, you're shed. Ellie, you're shed. Ellie, you're awake. Yeah, get up.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
I'll grab him.
I'm sorry.
What did he do? Did he pull your hair? Were they in the wrong one? Yeah.
You, come here. You're kind of ridiculously cute. Really?
There you go.
They do have kind of cute puppy faces.
Okay, treat. Treat. Already gave him. Not a big treat. Here you go. Good girl, Grace. We're taking the glue with us. Here, here.
Taking what?
The glue. Here, Connor. Connor, good boy. Okay, now, the crates, 2 to a crate, the little and a big with in the one crate and a little and a big in the other crate, and big boy is going to be carried. Okay? How are we going to stuff him in with somebody?
So 2 little crates.
No, they're in the house. They're in the kitchen. So grab her and her.
No, we'll put them in the crates in the car.
What? Oh, gotcha. Here you go. All right. Is the gate closed?
I got it.
Okay. Sorry. Good puppy. Look out.
Why are you stepping on them?
Because they're behind me and they don't watch where I am.
But they're puppies.
Yeah, well, you know, they have to learn soon.
They're growling.
I don't care.
Oh,
Okay, come on, boys and girls and little kids into the kitchen.
you are cute.
Come